Hi everyone, I'll be doing a quick demo on the newly launched Survey Agent. This agent helps you easily create and send surveys, collect responses, and get quick insights, all within Microsoft 365 apps like Teams, Outlook, and Forms. I'll walk you through how to set it up and how it triggers based on user actions and how the results are shown in real time. Let's get started. To get access to the Survey Agent, go to Get Agents window and then search for Survey Agent and then click on Add, and that will take you to this particular page on the screen. And going ahead and creating a survey to understand the employee satisfaction. So there are some predefined prompts which we can use, or you can go ahead and create one based on your need. Similarly, you can create surveys based on your requirement. You can create your own prompts. You can mention what kind of questions you would like to have, like open-ended radio buttons or like a ratings kind of a thing. So I'm going ahead with this prompt which is there on the screen, and let's see what survey agent comes back with. The cool thing which I liked about this agent is that it gives you an option where it drafts the form for you, and also it gives you an option to draft an email or a Teams message or even a QR code which you can generate to share this particular form with your colleagues. As you can see, it has drafted this form within like fraction of seconds, and it has given me what are the major insights it has taken to create this form, and also it gives me an option to refine it. So let's go ahead and see what it has created. So based on the prompt, it has chosen the title as Employee Satisfaction Survey based on team culture and morale, and it has come up with questions based on ratings, radio buttons, and also open-ended questions. So if you're fine with this form, all that you have to do is click on Ready to Send, and then it will give you options in terms of how you can actually plan for sending this survey. But here I'm going to refine it. So I'm going to ask the agent to add a new question. So I'm going to say refine the survey form to add a new question about getting feedback on the latest organization, events, and trainings conducted. Let it be a open-ended question with comment box as an option to add the answers. As soon as I click on enter, you can see the form is getting worked up on the right side. So in another few seconds, you should see, yep, as we speak, you can see the question is added now with an open-ended comment box. So I'm fine with this form now, and I'm happy to send this. So let's ask the agent that I'm ready to send. Let's see what options it comes back with. Okay, there you go. So it says me on, I mean, a lot of options where it can help me draft an email or a Teams message, or even a QR code can be generated, as I said, to distribute this survey. And it gives me the settings link for the form where you can go ahead and modify whether only people in your organization can respond or the external colleagues can actually respond. The great thing is it comes up with a plan in terms of how you can actually work out the survey. So it says when to launch, early check-in to see how many people has actually taken the survey, and if you want to send a reminder, again it can help you to draft that message to boost participation, like a midpoint push after like if you don't see three responses for the survey, then probably you can do that, and again a final check-in as well. All these are customizable based on your requirement, and it gives you the survey link where you can copy that and put it along with the draft with the survey agent will be creating for you, and you can send it across. The awesome thing with this is like you can use the agent again to monitor the responses coming in for the surveys. So I'll go back to the survey agent and I'll show you one of the agents survey which was created earlier for the demo, and I will ask the agent to summarize the responses, and let's see what it comes back with. And the cool thing, as I said, right, like you can go back to the survey agent and you can see a history of all the surveys that you have created in the past, and you can go back to this and ask for the responses, or you can visualize the responses as well whenever you require. So all in one place. So it's a cool tool where you can actually see all your surveys created, and then you can play around with the history and get the data whenever you require. So we can see it has created a quick snapshot of all the responses that I've received for this particular survey. And based on the key findings, it also gives me what is something which I should be looking at from the survey. So you can see the tour experience is highly rated, booking process is smooth, online visibility is working. So basically, it gives me its key findings as well in terms of what the survey looks like. And the coolest part, which I like, is it creates this visualizations as well. You can tailor again based on your requirement. You can see I have got different kind of visualizations based on my requirement. So that's something possible as well. Again, you can export this to an Excel if you want. That can be done. And then, as I earlier mentioned, that you can go back to this survey agent. You can see all the previous surveys created and go back into each of those surveys to look into the results. Overall, I feel this is like a really good tool for someone who's gonna create surveys and monitor it. Please give it a go and let us know your thoughts. Thank you.